Hello people and welcome back to another episode of Pixelmon Live. So in today's episode your boy is going to show you my brand new team. Okay, this brand new team is actually insane, I'm not gonna lie. I built it on the live stream, I'm pretty sure. So if you haven't been around those on Fridays and Saturdays most of the time, then you don't know this team, okay? So that's why I'm making this video. I will showcase you how good this team is, and after some battles and stuff like that, we will go around the town and read your messages again, as we do in every now and then, you know what I'm saying? Anyways, of course, before we get going, if you do enjoy this video at any point, leave a like down below and subscribe if you are new. And of course, we are playing on the AnubisMC server on the Shield realm, so if you do want to join that one, and do /swap_rich to join this amazing town. And yeah, so from the old squad, pretty much every single poke got replaced apart from Volcarona and Aegislash. I know, it's a weird one, I'm not gonna lie. Why wouldn't you keep like Xerneas, Rayquaza and stuff like that? But trust me, okay, when you see this squad you will understand, okay? So let me place these bad boys in this box right here, and okay, we will have a cameo from a series that we're doing right now from Pokemon Story Mode, okay? Pixelmon Story Mode, I mean. But yeah, so making a comeback from that series is the one and only Durgan. Jeez! My guy Durgan, okay, I did make him shiny. All of my team is 100% IVs as well, by the way, and EVs. And yeah, look at him. I was gonna call him Shrek because he's green, obviously, but you know, I just had to call him Durgan because he's my guy. And yeah, this is a hidden ability Dragonite actually with Jolly Nature, and these are the moves. It's insane with weakness policy as well, and this thing sweeps, okay, I'm not gonna lie. It can sweep teams, bro. Okay, next up is the shiny Ash Greninja, okay? I caught this bad boy live on live stream as well, I'm pretty sure, so thank you very much, Giles, I'm pretty sure it was, for letting me catch this thing. He's the guy, he's the boy. But yeah, this is the Greninja with Battle Bond, obviously. You do need Battle Bond to get Ash Greninja. If it has any other ability, you will not get Ash Greninja. And then it's timid with these moves. And yeah, let's look at this thing. So this is how it looks without Mega Evolving it. And once we Mega Evolve it, it looks super sick as well. Damn, look at it. Yo, where you running? Yo, come back. Don't be shy. Look at it, bro. It's so sick. It just is. Go on, do a backflip. Do a backflip. Come on. Yeah. Okay, and now we have the legends, okay? We will have 2 legends on this squad, and the 2 legends are actually broken. You have noticed that we don't have a single Mega Pokemon yet on the squad, okay? Apart if you count Ash Greninja as a Mega, then fair play. But yeah, we don't have a actual Mega, right? Okay, actually now I'll show you the Mega last, okay? So the next Pokemon is the God Tapu Koko. Damn, look at this thing, bro. This thing is probably one of my favorite legendaries, like top 5 at least. And this texture is just amazing as well. Oh, I love it. But yeah, this thing's holding the Rocky Helmet with Electric Surge, Timid, and these are the moves. 100% EVs, IVs, obviously. And yeah, this thing actually, it's so good. And the final one, the Mega Poke of my new squad, is going to be, boom, the Mega Mewtwo Y. Okay, we are using the Mega Stone that we got from that one episode when we were giving away loads of stuff. And I told you, bro, I'm gonna use it, and I am using it. We have the shiny Mega Mewtwo Y with Timid. These are the moves. And this thing just looks insane. I did make it gigantic as well, so it's huge. Yo, it's so sick, man. I love it. Maybe in the future, we can upgrade this thing to a Shadow Mewtwo. That's even cooler because the full body is black. Where you see these green parts, that's gonna be like bright orange fading into a red. Oh, it's so sick. But yeah, this is the new squad. Tell me what you think. I battle tested it a few times, but not in video. So let's go battle test this squad right now. Oh yeah, also, if you have any nickname suggestions for this team, then please let me know because they do need nicknames. Apart from Durgan, okay? I'm not changing my Dragonite's nickname. That name is gonna stick forever, okay? Durgan the Dragonite just fits so well. Okay, our first opponent is Super Dusha 10. So let me showcase you how good Durgan is with its hidden ability and stuff, okay? So since it has a hidden ability, right, the multi-scale, he doesn't take that much damage. It pretty much takes like half the damage it would normally take. And yeah, it's insane. So since he missed the Rock Slide, I can Dragon Dance twice. He missed 3 times. There we go. Okay, but yeah, take little to no damage, and your boy can now sweep. I set up like 3 Dragon Dances there. It's pretty much a win. This thing's weak to ground as well, actually, so let me Earthquake. Oh, it doesn't affect him. Oh. Okay, well, my bad. Anyway. That's okay. So we can now showcase you some other pokes. Okay, turns out this is Charizard Y. That's why I wasn't doing that much damage, you know. So this thing's weak to Ghost, Dark, and Bug. Let me use Shadow Claw. We live. Nice. Let me Shadow Sneak and bop the thing. Ah, he has to go. I guess I win. Okay, our next opponent is Vital. He sets up Toxic Spikes. Okay. Oh, he's had so many Toxic Spikes, man. This is gonna be so sad. No. Stop. Bro, if I switch out, I'm gonna be finished. Oh god. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Stop, fam. Relax. Okay, well, let's Mega Evolve the Mewtwo now, okay? And let's see if we can take this thing down. 3 Swords Dance's Mimikyu. And the decoy is still there, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I don't think we can win. I demand a rematch, god damn it. I made too many mistakes, okay? So if you don't make any mistakes with the squad, it's actually sick, okay? But yeah, anyways, let me lead out with Volcarona this time. Yeah, the only downside to this squad, in my opinion, is that you don't I don't have the, like, Stealth Rocks or Toxic Spikes or nothing like that, you know? That's the only thing I would like. Thank you, we finally fainted, man. Oh my god, I only swept through, like, most of my team. God damn. And let's see if I can water Shuriken this thing. I don't think I will be able to. Yeah, it's getting speed boost left, right, and center, man. This ain't good. It's gonna... Yeah, I'm getting swept. Oh! Never mind! Let's go! Okay, let's go, Greninja. Oh, no, the Kyogre. Okay, buddy. It's a Primal Kyogre as well. Oh, no. I'm stuck using Water Shuriken. Oh, fam, allow it. Allow it. Oh, no. Okay, Tapu Koko, it's all up to you, buddy. Let's go. Okay. Togekiss. This thing's weak to electric as well. Oh, nah. As if you live. Hey, GG. That was his last Pokemon as well. We got unlucky there. But hey, it's whatever, man. It's whatever. Okay, our next opponent is a cat. Let's go. But yeah, so far the team hasn't had the best luck, okay? I've made some mistakes. I've made some weird decisions. We got unlucky, okay? But when we, you know, hit our moves, do everything correctly, the squad actually does bits. On most teams, okay? No, yo, speed. Okay, gotcha. That's fine. I see you. Okay, let me send out Greninja, Ice Beam this thing, get Ash Greninja up and going, you know what I'm saying? Oh my god, we almost faint. Yo, Garchomp, relax, bro. That thing is too powerful, my guy. God damn. He belly jumped. Oh no. Okay, I think we lose 100%. Shadow Sneak? That was a mistake. Yeah. That was unfortunate, not gonna lie. Normally the team performs much better, as if you look on the live streams I've done, okay, the last 2 I think ones, by the time this video comes out, you know, the team performs well, okay? I don't know why it didn't perform on video. Pokemon got kinda shy, okay? Let's just say that. Anyways, now let me go check out the good old mail, if we have any. Okay, we have, we definitely have mail. Okay, well, let me collect all of these, read them up, and yeah. Okay, the first one is by Existent Potato. Existence is a lie. The reasoning behind this is cause memes. Okay. Hi, I want to battle you. Matty, we already battled like 50 times, okay? So, we chillin'? Alright, sup, it's your dad. Okay, buddy, the 20th. Dub. Facts. Hey, Julian, thanks for being very... Okay. Just a blank... Ooh, okay. I mean, I respect it, Mr. I respect it, you know what I'm saying to you. Hello, I am undisclosed software. Pass the mail on and write on it till it's full. Shall the games begin? So, I mean, okay. I can't really write on it because it's sealed, but okay. Hello, I was the one you gave 64 rare candies and potions to. And I want to say thanks a lot. I appreciate it a lot. And hi. Hello, Flushy. Hello. Okay, next one. I hope you have fun with the Greninja. I want to see you Mega Evolve next time. Greetings, Giles. I'm still fishing. There we go. That's the that's the guy who gave us this amazing Ash Greninja. You know what I'm saying? You know, just for you, Giles. There you go. There you go, Giles. There you go. There's the Mega Ash Greninja, okay? It's that one's for you, buddy. Okay, next. I've made a berry farm. Do you want to use it? Let me know. Greetings, guys. Yes, guys, please, please, please. When I EV trained, berries are actually super expensive. So they're like 1,000 or 2,000 each. I'm like, nah, bro. But yeah, let me know when you get on and I'll yoink some berries from you. Oh my god. Okay, that's a big letter. Okay, hello my wonderful friend, Captain Savs here, the weird Alolan guy who claimed an area near your town. So I'm writing this mail to ask you. I'm a good builder in general and I would really like to make your town prettier, but I have no tools and don't have quite the time to grind for them. So if you'd like, you could give me any tools so you may not need. Also, if you ever need help with any build, I'll be glad to help you. Lol. If you ever see this, I will probably be on Sword. Message me at any times or on Discord. Okay, bet. A blank mail again. I mean, okay. I think you should build a Megastone shop and should sell the Megastones you do not need for like 30k. Jeez, maybe, who knows? Anyways, that's gonna be it for today's episode. Thank you guys so much for watching this. I know we didn't perform too well in the battles, okay, but trust me, bro, this team is much better than the previous one. Obviously, again, it might change in the future, but for now, this is the squad. Obviously, I'll have multiple teams for like different circumstances and stuff. But yeah, that is the squad for now. And yeah, again, if you have any nicknames, let me know. And yeah, thank you for watching. Subscribe if you are new, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.